In Indian logic or Indian epistemology, the concept of knowledge is closely tied to the ways of acquiring valid knowledge, known as pramana. Indian philosophers have identified various means of knowledge, pramanas, to determine the validity of a belief or claim. Here's an overview. Pramana, the means of knowledge. Pramanas are methods through which valid knowledge, prama, is obtained. Different schools of Indian philosophy recognize varying numbers of pramanas, but 6 are widely acknowledged. 1. Pratyeksa, perception. Definition: direct knowledge acquired through the senses or intuition. Types: external, perception, knowledge through the 5 senses, sight, hearing, smell, taste, touch. Internal, perception, mental perception, such as feelings or introspection. Example: seeing a tree and knowing it exists. 2. Anumana, inference. Definition: knowledge derived through reasoning based on prior experience or observation. Types: purvavat, inference from cause to effect, e.g., dark clouds infer rain. Sessavat, inference from effect to cause, e.g., wet ground infers prior rain. Samanyatodsta, inference from analogy, e.g., observing fire from smoke. Example: seeing smoke on a mountain and inferring fire. 3. Upamana, comparison, analogy. Definition: knowledge derived by comparing an unknown object with a known object. Example: learning what a buffalo is when told it resembles a cow. 4. Sabda, verbal testimony. Definition: knowledge obtained from trustworthy sources or authoritative texts. Types: Laukika, testimony from ordinary human sources, e.g., teachers, historians. Alaukika, testimony from scriptures or divine sources, e.g., Vedas. Example: believing in the shape of the earth based on scientific explanation. 5. Arthapati, postulation, presumption. Definition: knowledge inferred by assuming something to resolve a contradiction. Example: a person who doesn't eat during the day but is gaining weight, one presumes they eat at night. 6. Anupalabdhi, non-cognition, absence. Definition: knowledge derived from the absence of something. Example: not seeing a pot in a room leads to the conclusion that the pot is absent. Variations across schools of philosophy. Different schools accept or reject certain pramanas. 1. Nyaya school recognizes 4: perception, inference, comparison, testimony. 2. Vedanta school generally agrees with the 6 pramana framework. 3. Mimamsa school emphasizes sabda and arthapati. 4. Buddhism often considers only perception and inference. 5. Karvaka, materialism, accepts only perception as a valid means of knowledge. Applications in Indian logic. 1. Epistemological framework determines the validity of a claim or belief. 2. Syllogistic reasoning, used in debates and logical discussions, e.g., Nyaya 5-step reasoning. 3. Philosophical inquiry, explains the nature of truth and reality.